guys, Colonel Ninny here. This series of video tutorials is designed for the brand new player to IL-2's Battle of Stalingrad. It's a very complex flight sim and there's a lot to learn. And to help you get there faster, check out my channel. I've got over 100 tutorials that will guide your progress. Hopefully you've had a chance to watch the other videos in the Sea Dragons series. This is Mission 8 for Sea Dragons. You'll watch a video that's a little different in its format to my usual stuff. And that is its first-person view for the entirety. So moving on with the briefing. Basically the same old milk run of headings and altitudes, except that the ground targets are located around the north side of the city and our friendly forces are in close proximity. And we have 4 yaks to provide cover. Clouds and weather are not an issue. I am the flight leader with 4 IL-2s with rockets and bombs. Alright, let's roll. What's the airspeed indicator? As it gets to about 100, you can push forward on the stick slightly to bring the tail up. We're going to get to 150, 160, 170, start to pull up. Once you clear the ground, it's gear up. And bring the power back. And the mixture back. Alright, we're en route, climbing up to 600. My guys are with me now, so I'm going to start turning en route. Okay, we've passed the point, we can continue climbing. We want a heading of 020. I like to bring the map up a little larger here. We can see that point and the city on the right. Temps are high, not a lot we can do about that. I've got the power pulled back a bit. While we're climbing up here, I'm going to set the gunner. So he's going to fire at will, and he's going to engage at long range. This will give me a heads up if there's any enemy fighters attacking. Almost at 1,000 feet, pretty good. Level off here and let the engine cool off. Let's get back to my heading 020, maintaining 1,000. Left shift A to put it in auto level. Now I can manage my engine. Bring both the power and the RPM back. And looking where we are, we know from other missions that there's a ridge here with a valley and then another ridge. Not far beyond that is going to be an open area, and then to the left of that is going to be our town. So we're over the first ridge. If I zoom in, I think I can see the town. It's the smoky one to the left. We won't jump our guns yet. So, if we're trying to identify our position, we are on heading and on the correct altitude, and we are approximately over this valley here. So the question is that our town? I can see gunfire down there. Shells dropping, that's our target. Okay, you know what we're looking for? We're looking for ground targets. We're going to try and take out the flak first, and then come around and destroy it. So before I turn, I'm going to tell my pilots what I need them to do. Attack nearest ground targets. And off we go. I'm not going to drop down in altitude. Altitude is always safety. You can certainly see now the attack in progress by the troops. Really want to attack the sun. That wasn't a good planning on their point. I'm going to fly slightly to the right of the target and see what we can see down there, instead of charging blindly in. You can see I'm having problems with my engine, and I might not make it. I did have it pulled back as much as I could. So I'm going to abort this run. Nope, I'm not going to have a chance to do anything. I'm going to have to put it down. See how important energy management is. And there's our red flares down there. Sorry, engine management. There's our red flares. Trying to find a place to put it where I can walk away. The roads will have trees beside them. And our friendly lines are where? I'm hoping I'll land in the friendly territory here. Okay, so I'm going to set up a glide, get away from the enemy. I'll probably just ditch my bombs, having made sure I'm not by anybody, by friendly forces. This looks like a good spot here, so I'm going to put the gear down. Flaps down, and try to land on the road here. Not every mission is a success, and not every aircraft is lost by enemy fire. If this one is all about engine management, how can we get around this problem and get to that target and do our job? Well, thanks for watching, guys. I hope you'll join me again for this same mission and we'll make it a success. As always, if you've enjoyed this video, found it helpful, please like it or subscribe. Or if there's another topic you'd like me to cover, please